Meta's comeback, teaming up with China for smarter smartwatches. Exclusive. Meta seeks China for a second chance with smartwatches. Have you ever wondered why tech giants like Meta keep pivoting their strategies? Well, Meta is at it again, this time looking to China for a second attempt at dominating the smartwatch market. But here's where it gets controversial. Will their approach this time around be any different from their first failed attempt? Now, let's talk about something that's quite relatable to many of us: saving our login information. Some subscribers prefer to keep their user ID and password stored on their devices to avoid the hassle of entering them every time they visit a site. It's a small convenience that can make a big difference in your daily online experience. To activate this feature, simply check the Save My User ID and Password box when you log in. This action will store your credentials on the specific computer you're using to access the site. It's like having a digital key to your online world, making it easier to navigate. But there's a catch. If you decide to log out, you'll lose the saved information. This means the next time you visit the site, you'll need to log in again. It's a small price to pay for enhanced security, ensuring that your personal information remains protected. And this is the part most people miss. While saving your login information can be convenient, it's crucial to consider the security implications. If you use a shared or public computer, it's best to avoid saving your login details to prevent unauthorized access. So, as Meta looks to China for its smartwatch ambitions, we can't help but wonder, will they succeed where they failed before? Or will they face the same challenges? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Meta's new smartwatch. Camera features, AR integration, targeting untapped markets. Meta is set to launch smartwatches into the competitive landscape of the wearable tech sector, expanding its success in wearables. The company aims to target a distinct user base with innovative timepieces, as other tech giants have already captured significant market share in this space. These watches are likely equipped with cameras to enhance user engagement with the metaverse, a concept that has become central to Meta's vision. Additionally, they will complement Meta's upcoming AR glasses, which may debut this year, creating a seamless integration between wearable tech and augmented reality. This isn't the first time a smartwatch has featured a camera. Samsung's first Galaxy Gear watch, released in 2013, was a groundbreaking step, though its camera technology was far from perfect. Meta's approach, however, is driven by a desire to push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, especially with its Ray-Ban smart glasses, powered by Meta AI, which became a massive success and prompted the company to reallocate resources to wearables. Now, Meta is introducing Oakley smart glasses, further solidifying its commitment to AR innovation. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg envisions AR glasses as the future of smartphones, a belief that has led the company to invest billions in becoming the first to market with a consumer-ready AR product. The goal is to create an affordable version of the Meta Orion glasses, a prototype that has generated excitement in the tech community. Apple, Google, and Samsung are closely watching Meta's progress. While Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, is determined to outpace Meta, Google and Samsung have partnered on Project Muhan, a venture akin to Meta's smartwatch camera experiments, a bold move to test public interest before scaling up. The question remains, will Meta's strategy replace smartphones with AR glasses, or will it retain smartwatches as a secondary revenue stream, connected directly to the glasses rather than a phone? Critics argue that such a shift could reduce the convenience of carrying glasses, but proponents see it as a transformative step toward a fully immersive digital experience. As Meta continues to refine its vision, the outcome will depend on how well it balances innovation with user adoption. The iPhone 14, now priced at $99.99, exemplifies Meta's broader strategy to integrate hardware and software seamlessly, offering customers a glimpse into the future of wearable technology. Whether this marks the beginning of a new era or a temporary detour remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: the smartwatch revolution is here to stay. Meta's next smartwatch. What to expect from the rumored XR-focused wearable? Meta is reportedly gearing up to unveil a smartwatch that could work in tandem with its smart glasses, marking a potential revival of its smartwatch ambitions. This exciting development is expected to be showcased at the upcoming Meta Connect event, scheduled for September 17th through 18th, 2025. According to sources from Digitimes, Meta is collaborating with manufacturers in China to bring this new wrist-worn device to fruition. However, it appears that this smartwatch may not prioritize health tracking features as much as its competitors, such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, or this device might serve as an upgraded version of the Meta Orion wristband, which testers have previously used to control the smart glasses. Despite these intriguing prospects, it remains uncertain whether this new smartwatch will improve upon Meta's existing smart glasses, like the Ray-Ban Meta and Oakley Meta HSTN models. As with any leaks, it's wise to approach these details with caution. Nevertheless, Meta has been actively developing wrist-based electromyography (EMG) technology, suggesting that the company is keen on creating something innovative based on its research. It's worth noting that this isn't the first time we've heard rumors about a Meta smartwatch. Previous leaks hinted at its cancellation and later revival, indicating that some earlier information may no longer be accurate. Even if a Meta smartwatch is indeed on the horizon, several questions linger regarding its price, battery life, specifications, affordability, and release timeline. While it may be featured in the keynote at Meta's 2025 Connect event, it could merely serve as a teaser rather than a definitive announcement of a product ready for market. Personally, I am eager to see what Meta will create. Ideally, I would prefer the smartwatch to function as an accessory to its smart glasses, similar to how current smartwatches complement smartphones, rather than as a standalone device. However, if it can successfully integrate health, fitness, and hand tracking capabilities, I would be open to it also including a camera and useful tools for the metaverse, as long as the price remains reasonable. Ultimately, we will have to wait and see what Meta reveals when it is ready to officially announce this much-anticipated wearable device.